I got myself a video idea. Alright, so today we're going outside. Let's go. So we are in the forest again, when you saw in the apology video. And we're gonna make our way over to the surprise. See you when we're there. Alright, so we are here. This is it. I made a fort completely out of sticks. No twine, no giant logs except for those two, and I'm not even using those. Give our angle here. So it's pretty big, can fit about 4 people maximum with at least semi-comfortable space. I had some supports up front and kind of triangulated everything. Some leaves at the front too. So let's go inside. Yeah, you can see right there a branch fell. Can we put that one back up? No, it doesn't want to. And we'll leave it there for now. So yeah, it's quite roomly in here. We're only get a look at the back wall. Yeah. So that's the idea I had for today's video. We're gonna do a little walking around. It'll be some fun. There's a good stick right here. It's a little windy out. So sorry if the audio quality is bad. Yeah, here we go. So this is the place I usually walk around if I get frustrated or something. There's a field over there. You may see a couple houses. Those aren't mine. Mine's pretty far off. But no, they don't own this land over here. So I also have some tools. This one's the pickaxe. This thing is basically indestructible. It's made of the roots of a tree. It's held up for about 3 months now. We hang it up. And then, over here, we kind of have the area I'm planning to build onto. Hopefully. Might take that small tree right there, bend it over. So, yeah. A lot of fallen trees out here. I used some twigs off this one. Also, I also make sure to only use twigs that have fallen. Nothing from here is still growing, except for the trees and that small one right there. So yeah, this is my little stomping grounds. Hope you guys like it, and I'll be heading back right now. So yeah, that was the fort. Not too impressive yet, but hey, it's kind of small, and I only started it last month. So if you want to leave any suggestions, comment section, of course. And by the way, new editing, stuff like this and this are just new stuff I found out I could do. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, whatever the heck you want. This has been the Nerf Bird, and I'm out.